Safety is a top priority for Panasonic. The new R32 VRF outdoor unit has a very low refrigerant volume. In many installation cases, no additional safety measure will be required. In cases where measures are required, we have all necessary safety measures to comply with. EN 378 ISO 5149 and IEC 60335-2-40 edition 7.0. How do the safety measures work in the case of leakage? In case of ducted unit, the leak detector in the indoor unit detects a refrigerant leakage. This triggers an alarm, and a red already flashes on the leak alarm. The external power supply ensures the alarm works during power outages. The remote controller displays the P08 error code to indicate a leakage. The shut-off valve closes to stop the flow of refrigerant. The signal from the indoor unit stops the outdoor unit compressor operation. After 3 minutes, the compressor restarts. The leaking unit is isolated, allowing others to resume operation. Only the indoor units in the pipe section where a refrigerant leakage has occurred are stopped. For greater flexibility, safety valve kits can connect to multiple indoor units. In case of four-way cassettes, mini-cassettes and wall-mounted units, the external leak detector is required. In the unlikely event of a leak, the detector triggers an alarm and a flashing red LED. The external power supply is available when needed. We prioritize user safety, providing optimal protection for every device. Our trusted product range provides a safe, comfortable environment. All our 32 safety measures are prepared by Panasonic. Prioritize safety. Choose Panasonic.
Panasonic.